Hey everybody, Monty Reed here for the travel report, and we just spent the night in Port Townsend. The Port Townsend ferry coming in, we're heading out. One of the cool things about the bay here is all the anchor points. You don't have to pay to go into the marina. You can see all the boats anchored out there. Look at the charts and you'll see lots of places to anchor. So Port Townsend is now one of my favorite spots to anchor. And this is the 5th day of our sailing trip here in the Puget Sound. It's been a blast. Managed to go into town. Port Townsend has a bunch of little bakeries and coffee shops. Apparently a lot of them are closed on Wednesday, so you might not want to count on getting coffee, food on Wednesdays. Just check the schedules. So they were open yesterday. We didn't even look to see. Wednesday, a lot of stuff's closed. I guess that's their Monday, right? I don't know. Nothing like a croissant, coffee, in the ocean. We're on a 20-foot Flicka, by the way. Monty Reed for the travel report. Have a great day.